So welcome to the African Adventure demo. In this demo I'm going to show you how to, get started with this project. You can see I've already over here started up my score. I've selected 4/4 time, Allegro with 120, and I've put in some percussion instruments. Now they don't all have to be African percussion instruments. Some of them are, like the djembe, but some of them aren't. The surtador, for example, is a Latin instrument, as is the cabasa, and some more traditional ones like xylophone and marimba as well. So what we want to do is create an ostinato, a repeated pattern for each instrument to play. Whatever we do for the instrument is going to repeat the whole time. So very quickly, I'll just put something in here for the djembe. Now, something I've noticed is the bottom two lines work and the top one doesn't. So here we go. If I just push number 3 and then 2. So just using shortcut keys there, you can kind of work out if that middle line there is a B, it's going to think this one's G and that one's D. You can see if I move this note around off the line, we can hear it there. It doesn't make any sound until it returns to either one of these two lines. So only put notes on lines and when you can hear them really working. So that's my ostinato for the djembe. Simply Command C. Then I'm going to select from bar 2, Shift, click, and then Command V to paste that for the rest of it. If you want to add extra bars, when your score comes up it'll only have 5 bars. To add extra bars, Command B will add extra bars. If you want to get rid of those any bars, simply select the area you want to get rid of, Shift, click, Command, delete. And we can delete those. Okay, so there's my djembe part. Cabasa, what I'll do is I want to do something a little bit different. So let's do some semiquavers. You can see I've got a crotchet there, so I'm going to put semiquavers maybe here. Again, if I use B, and I can hear that's working. Now that's a nice little pattern. I might just shift click. So I've selected one beat, 4 semiquavers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if I shift click the rest of that bar, Command V, it'll paste it across that. In fact, oops, get that out of the way, shift click, I've now got an ostinato there. Now surtador down here, it's a Latin instrument, it's kind of a big drum. So I think I just want to have that hit on beat 1. Why not do an accent? Here we go. And again, copy, and then if I select from there, shift click to the end, paste. Oops, Command V for paste. Maybe I stuffed something up. Here we go. Copy, paste, copy, paste. There we go. And so now I've got an ostinato that's ready to go. So you can see whatever I do for one instrument, it continues for the whole rest of it. The key is, I guess, to make sure that each instrument is doing something different. So you don't want everything to hit right on beat 1. You can see we've got some different things going here. So that's a good start to the score. If you're using pitched percussion like xylophone or marimba, go for it. Perhaps just use a pentatonic scale so that your notes are going to sound good together. Or if you're not using pentatonic scale, have some sort of system so it's not just random notes. All right, enjoy.